Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm just here today because I have a letter that I got from a subscriber here in Australia, and she sent me this, and I've opened it, and I did have a quick look because I didn't know what it was about. I couldn't, and it's a tiny happy mail. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Stephine Gatiew, Gatiew, and she lives near Sydney somewhere, and she sent me a happy mail. It's very kind of you, Stephanie. Look at this beautiful card, and it says peace be with you. Isn't that lovely? She sent me, and somebody's painted that. I don't know if it was Stephanie did that or not. It said hand painted art studio in Australia Street, Newtown. Okay, isn't that nice? Thank you very much for that. Because, and there's another one. Look, with a puss on it. Look at that. It's just like just like my pussycat when he was a baby. He was nice like that. He still is. Still a lovely puss. And I'll just have a quick look here. Just a small hello. The card, which is old, 2 pieces of fabric. This must be the card that she was talking about. It's old. 2 pieces of fabric. Hope you like them, and some ribbon. When you go online to buy craft, what is the address? You go to Amazon. I will try and find that for you and put it up in my description box, or I will send you, I'll put the link up underneath my video when I do this, okay? I hope. If I forget, you might have to ask me again, because it just depends what I'm doing when I'm uploading it, because I'm always doing more than one thing at a time for some reason. My videos are very good. She says, your videos are very good, thank you. Make me laugh, take care of yourself and your husband. Thank you so much, Stephanie. That is very lovely. I do love that. And that card that is, it might be too, because I don't know how, it does look to be, yeah, it does look to be a nice piece of ephemera that I can use in something one time. Now here's a piece of ribbon. That is very, oh, look at that. I didn't realise it was nice, sparkly, and butterflies. See, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, one of my favourites. Bird. There's a bird on a post. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh dear. I have some birds on fabric, you know, but I seem to be keeping them hanging on to them. Maybe I should make myself a journal, hey, and put them in, because isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Stephanie. I really do love that. I do love the colours and these beautiful daisies on there. That is very pretty. I think they're daisy. And I've got this piece here. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is really nice. Isn't that neat? Oh, wow. Well, I might be able to put this on the front of a book, or put it on a bag or something. Thank you so much. This is really lovely. I think they've got different expressions. Let me have a turn around my way and I'll have a look at this. Oh yeah, look. The ladies with different lights and shadows on the images of a face. That's half shadow. Isn't that lovely? Thank you very much, Stephanie, for that. I really appreciate that, darling. That's very kind of you to share with me. That's very kind of you to share these lovely things with me. I really do appreciate that. And the lovely little pushcat, this beautiful card. So thank you very much to you, Stephanie, and everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.